The following video is about a young lady who believes in God and who's willing to serve Him and His people. Please tune in and allow her to share her story with you.
Hi everyone, my name is Zonke Nyandeni. I am 28 years old and I'm from Durban, Savannah Park. I'm a music lover, I am a storyteller, and I'm a child of God who is called to live, to love, and to serve. But living with rheumatoid arthritis has made that a little bit of a challenge. I was diagnosed when I was 2, and it has progressed greatly over the years, leaving me blind in 2018, which has made it all the more harder for me to show up as my best self. I've been in and out of hospitals ever since I was diagnosed, doing treatment to try and manage the disease, but I honestly feel like it hasn't been all that helpful. However, I am not ready to give up just yet, so I am now seeking alternative treatment, and there's this great center in Cape Town called Be Free Lifestyle with highly trained professionals. They are offering a promising naturopathic approach to healing, focusing on natural and wholesome care to address the root cause of my condition, and I totally believe that this will help me regain my quality of life. But the whole thing is expensive though, which is why I'm here asking for your help with funds to make this happen for me. And if you're interested, please share this video, or you can go to my Bigger Body website and contribute any amount that you can. Every little counts, and I am eternally grateful for your help and for your support. Thank you.